Hey, Melissa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to show you yoga for the office. If you sit all day while you work, you might start to notice a few things. You might notice slumped shoulders, wrist pain, hip pain from sitting, lower back pain. Basically, sitting all day has some really negative effects on your body. I'm going to show you 5 yoga poses that you can do right at your desk that are going to make you feel amazing. Also, if you like these 5 poses, I have a free guide. I put the link right in the description that has 7 more poses that will walk you through each one and give you a little bit more detail and some bonus tips as well. So let's get into it.
First, we're going to start with a seated twist. This is really going to stretch out the shoulders and the upper body, especially if you're hunching over that computer all day. Make sure to take 6 to 8 breaths on each side before you go ahead and switch. Really enjoy this one. This one's so easy to do at any point in the day. Next, we're going to go into a seated figure 4. This one is amazing for hip pain and lower back pain. This one you could just sit and do your work for, up to 20 or 30 minutes. I recommend 10 breaths on each side and then repeat if you're just trying to do it at one point in the day, but make sure you get this one in. The next pose is a seated twisted goddess. Not only does this one relax the shoulders and calm lower back and hip pain, it also reduces stress and increases circulation. Do each side for 5 seconds and switch 10 times. Now it's time to use your desk to help you stretch even deeper. This one I like to call leg on the desk. You're just going to stretch out your hamstring and your lower back. This one is so important if you're spending most of the day sitting. You really need to get that circulation back into the legs. I like to hold each leg for about 1 full minute. The last one I'm going to show here is upward desk dog. This one is amazing for your wrists and your fingertips if you're on a computer all day, but it also stretches out your chest, relaxes your shoulder, and feels amazing. Hold this for 5 breaths.
I hope you're feeling amazing after doing those 5 yoga poses. I know that I love doing those every day just because they make every part of my body feel so much better. If you're looking for more, I have an entire free guide for yoga for the office. It includes these stretches and so many more. You can click the link right down in the description. It's completely free and it's just there to help you. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you want to see more videos like this. And of course, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. I hope you have an amazing day, and like I always say, spread love and positivity wherever you go. Bye!